we enter a place called Penang and a city called Georgetown. Known for its amazing street art and fantastic food, Penang is a place to visit. Wow.
So today is our first official day in Penang on the island.
And it's a sunny day.
And it's not raining. I see some blue sky. First order of business is
Ooh, here comes our food.
Yeah, this looks good. Look at this. We got some coconut blue rice. We got egg, obviously. We got a curry, and we got a peanut. And then over on my other dish, this is a deep fried squid. Look at that giant squid. Scissors to cut it. Boss.
I got the curry chicken.
Ooh, that sauce is good.
Coconut shake. So good.
So refreshing in this heat. Oh.
With our stomachs full, it was time to explore this amazing city. Let's go.
Don't look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadow.
So one of the things we're doing today in Georgetown is checking out all of their infamous street art. And we found one of them.
Georgetown Streets. Holy cow, they're exciting. Well, in 2012, Penang's Municipal Council hired London trained Lithuanian artist Ernest Zakrovic and asked him to breathe new life in some of the atmospheric Chinese shops around the inner city. That effort spawned awareness of the rich history of the streets. The project was a success, and Zakrovic turned certain areas into thriving tourist destinations.
So we've stumbled upon a really cute little cafe while wandering around the streets of Georgetown. And I've just ordered us 2 iced coffees. We're gonna have a little reprieve because all this rain, which we have been kind of complaining about, is now gone and the sun came out and it's smoking hot.
This is the Moon Tree Cafe, and well, it is amazing. The coffee was so good and the people were so nice. If you're in Georgetown, I highly suggest you check it out. This is one of the 6 jetties that still remain in Penang. There was 7, but one got demolished and burned down. These water villages are over a century old. Each jetty is named after a Chinese clan. The Chu Jetty is the most tourist friendly with the most stilt houses. the long walkway, a temple that is worth stopping by, and plenty of places for those, you know, Instagram moments.
So we're outside of Jetty, which is one of like 5 jetties. Chu was just the surname of whatever family would have lived here. Jetty is no longer really all that residential. It's been turned into a lot of shops and restaurants, but the rest of the jetties are apparently still sort of what they used to be, which is basically just houses on stilts on the water. We're gonna go check it out and maybe indulge in a giant bowl of soup.
We are right now in Jetty, and we are at a place called the Jetty Big Bowl Noodles. We are going to be trying some big bowl noodles. Probably not the biggest, because the biggest is absolutely huge, but we will be trying some of their food and checking it out.
We went back to our Airbnb for a good night's rest. We stayed at a guy called Jerns' place. He's on Airbnb. We stayed at a queen room with AC in a private bathroom, and it was for under $20 a night. I'll put his link in the description below, but I highly suggest you guys staying there if you're in Penang and you're looking for a good place to stay.
All right, day 2 in Penang. First of all, we are very close to one of the temples on Penang Hill called the Sea Temple. I think I got that right. So we're gonna check this out before heading into Georgetown.
This is Mercy Kuan Yin. It is located at the top of Eratang, near the Penang Hills, in the Sea Temple. The Sea is the largest Buddhist temple in all of Malaysia. The complex has so many different zones and a fantastic garden as well. If you're in Penang, you gotta check this place out.
Right now we're at the top of the Sea Temple, and I've just discovered something super random. In this very spiritual, religious, Buddhist temple, there are random Disney-type statues at the top where the parking lot is. Check this out.
So right now we are in a super local spot. This is Mccullum Night Market. It is super bumping on Monday nights, and there is a lot of different food. At the same time, there are bikes going by. It is happening here, but at the same time, it's extremely local. Super local.
We passed by our first stall that had giant king squid. Ooh, we couldn't resist.
Super good.
So we got one.
And it was only 13 ringgit. Wow.
Like $5? No, $4.
$4.
Let's see, is it good?
Really good? Mm-hmm. Let me try one. Oh, it's so good. God damn, that's good. Hello. What is this? What is it?
Turn it. Oh no, with the sauce.
Ah, the sauce. I know this one. It's good.
All of a sudden, he wanted to show us how he could cut his turnips without even looking at his turnips. Skills. I swear, this guy was ahead of the curve. He was doing the Bird Box Challenge before the Bird Box Challenge was even a thing. Ha! Man.
Do not take your blindfolds off. Do not.
Right now we are in a movie theater in Penang, Georgetown, and we're gonna go see Venom.
Penang, you were amazing. Thanks for having us.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Next time on Bearwhitness, we make a lot of new friends. Explore deep in the Malaysian jungle. A lot of dirt, a lot of mud, a lot of fun. Join us next time, and we will show you what Bandung has to offer, and the best places and the best things to see when you are here.